Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to recover your Twitter account. This video is very useful, so watch it till the end. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Twitter password. So first of all, go to any browser you want and go to twitter.com. Once you are on twitter.com, click on the login. Once you click on login, enter your email. Once you've entered your email, click on forgot password. Once you've done that, you will have to enter your email once again here. Once you've entered your email, click on the search button. Once you've done that, it asks you to enter your username. Now enter your username. Once you've done that, it sends a verification email to your email address. Click on next. Once you've done that, go to your Gmail account. Twitter has sent a password reset request on your account, as you can see. Copy the following text and paste it here and click on verify. Once you've done that, enter your new password. Once you've done that, click on reset password. It asks you why did you change your password. You input your own reasons. I'm gonna write forgot password and submit. And congratulations, you have successfully changed your password. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video like this.